SAP systems based on AS Java. Now we want to know what are the SAP systems based on AS Java. AS Java based SAP systems. What are the AS Java based SAP systems? SAP XSS. SAP XSS. So SAP employee and manager self-services. So SAP XSS, SAP employee and manager self-services. SAP XSS is one of the SAP system. SAP XSS is one of the SAP system. SAP XSS is the name of the SAP system. SAP XSS is Java-based SAP system. By using SAP ERP, we want to install SAP XSS system. So up to 2018, it is possible to install SAP XSS system. Nowadays, SAP ERP is not supported for installing. Java-based SAP system. So SAP XSS is one of the SAP system. SAP XSS is the name of the SAP system and it is Java-based SAP system. By using SAP ERP enhancement package, we want to install SAP XSS system. So up to 2016, it is possible to install SAP XSS system. Nowadays, SAP ERP enhancement package is not supported for installing Java-based SAP system. SAP S/4HANA Java system. SAP S/4HANA Java is one of the SAP system. SAP S/4HANA Java is the name of the SAP system. SAP S/4HANA Java is Java-based SAP system. By using SAP S/4HANA 2021 or 2022 or 2023 and 2025, we want to install SAP S/4HANA Java system. So nowadays in company we are using Java system by using SAP S/4HANA. Nowadays in company we are using, here we saw, in company we are using Java system. Product SAP S/4HANA. System type Java. Here we saw, nowadays SAP S/4HANA we are using for installing Java system. So it is one of the SAP system, SAP S/4HANA Java. So we see ERP. Nowadays they are using ERP some Java system. Here it is old systems. So here we saw, it is all old systems. EHP 7 for SAP ERP 6.0. So these are old systems. New systems is not possible to install. Old systems is possible. So that's why they are using. Nowadays, SAP ERP is not supported for installing Java system. Okay. Okay. Next. SAP Enterprise Portal. SAP Enterprise portal. SAP EP is one of the SAP system. SAP EP is the name of the SAP system. SAP EP is Java-based SAP system. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5, by using SAP NetWeaver 7.5, we want to install SAP EP system in company. SAP S/4HANA, SAP NetWeaver also we use for Java system. SAP NetWeaver. Okay, SAP NetWeaver. In company compulsory SAP S/4HANA Java system they are used, and SAP NetWeaver also compulsory we use. By using SAP NetWeaver only, we want to install enterprise portal system. So in company compulsory NetWeaver Java system they maintain. And solution manager Java. SAP solution manager Java. SAP solution manager Java. SAP solution manager Java is one of the SAP system. SAP solution manager Java is the name of the SAP system. Is the name of the SAP system. SAP solution manager Java is Java based SAP system. By using SAP solution manager, by using SAP solution manager 7.2, we install SAP solution manager Java. So in company compulsory we use SAP solution manager also for Java system. SAP solution manager. Here we saw these are all SAP solution manager Java system. So mostly in company we use SAP NetWeaver software, SAP solution manager software, SAP S/4HANA. Only these three softwares is supported for installing Java systems. SAP solution manager 7.2, SAP NetWeaver 7.5, SAP S/4HANA Java 2021, 2022, 2023, and 2025. So mostly we use these three softwares only. Nowadays, these three softwares only supported for installing Java system. So here is there. SAP Solution Manager 7.2. Here we saw SAP Solution Manager 7.2 Java. For installing, option is there. In your personal laptop also is possible to install SAP Solution Manager 7.2 Java. So in company server also is possible to install. Like that here, NetWeaver 7.5. For NetWeaver 7.5 also, here we saw application server ABAP. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 ABAP system. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 Java system. So SAP NetWeaver software is possible to install Java system also. Like that S/4HANA Java. Here we saw SAP S/4HANA Java 2025, 2023, 2022, 2021. So nowadays, these three product versions only is available for installing Java-based SAP system in company server. So here you are learning which softwares we are using for installing ABAP-based SAP system, which softwares we are using for installing Java-based SAP system. In company compulsory, they are maintaining ABAP-based SAP system and Java-based SAP system. So here we are learning what are the softwares is supported for installing Java-based SAP systems, What are the softwares is supported for installing ABAP based SAP system? So that's we are learning. For example, I want to travel from Mumbai to Delhi. Like that, Mumbai to Kanyakumari. Like that, I want to travel. So before traveling, before booking a flight ticket or train ticket, whatever, before booking tickets, what I want to do, first of all, what are the flights are running from Mumbai to Delhi? I want to make a list. Which flights are running? Or otherwise trains. What are the trains are traveling from Mumbai to Delhi? I want to make list. What are the trains are traveling from Mumbai to Kanyakumari? I want to make a list. Why means so? Different trains. Mumbai to Delhi trains are different. Mumbai to Kanyakumari trains are different. So first we are knowing which trains are traveling. After that knowing, we are booking a ticket. Here also, here you are learning. In company, they are maintaining ABAP-based receipt system and Java-based receipt system they are maintaining. Now, by using which softwares we are installing ABAP-based receipt system, by using which softwares we are installing Java-based receipt system. That information here we are learning. Every basis administrator means who are learning SAP basis course. Every student compulsory they want to know this difference compulsory. So what are the ABAP-based receipt system? Which softwares are using for installing ABAP-based receipt system? What are Java-based SAP system? Which softwares are using for installing Java-based SAP system? That information compulsory we want to know. That topic is completed.